guys, Queen Bugs, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a studio tour. So I live in a small type of room, as you can see, but I made my studio work. Like, I am so proud of it. This is literally where I film. Here's my lipsticks, my hair. Like, I even have hair under there. I'll wear like some type of hat or something. And then here is literally where I have my jewelry. Like look at this. It's so pretty. Before I show you the main thing I'm proud of, here is my closet. I got my purses up here, and then my clothing, and then I don't know if you can see it, but I have like a whole bunch of shoes under there. Like, oh my god. And my drawers for my clothes. Then here's the big mama. Literally, hi, as you can see me. Sorry, I have two mirrors, and then sometimes I'll use like a mirror that's in the palette. Then here is my I do a shop my stash, but I don't do it on camera because now I don't know. So this is the palettes I am using at the moment. And as you can see, some of them I haven't really fully used yet. But I am getting use out of it. And then here is the palettes I'm not using at the moment. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of palettes. I'm crazy. And this is where my foundations are. Like, I used this before I put lipstick on. This saves my lips every time. Like, you put lip scrub on before your lipstick, because my lips get so dry. Like, I believe it's because I don't drink a lot of water and I need to. So here's my brushes. Yes, I'm that person. I am crazy. I need help. And then here is like my multi-purpose drawer. I know I need to get another drawer, but right now this is what's working for me. We have mascara. We have the Coty Airspun powder. We have the some eyeliner. We just have like the some eyeshadow bases. You know, a lot of stuff. We got some, I'm sorry, we have some dirty freaking sponges that I need to wash. But that's that. And then, okay, this is regular Sabrina stuff. Because, like, I'm crazy in every single type of way. I have a whole bunch of movies. And Bear protects my movies. And on to the achievement wall, like right above my vanity. I was in a program called Kara. But yeah, as I was saying, Kara literally saved my life. So, I had a 1 month on the job certificate, and then I also had a 3 month on the job certificate, which COVID messed it up. And then I have a little broken fan, but it actually looks really, really cute up here, so I just put it up there. And then this was one of my chokers. It broke, so I just literally put it up there, and it actually looks really, really cute up there. And then here is one thing I'm fully proud of. I'm so proud to be a part of my community. Like, I am not of the straight kind, like, at all. And as you can see, this is where I sit. And that's literally my camera holder because I film on my phone. And this is my light. Like, literally. Oh, crap. I have to cut my game on just for it to freaking function so I can show you it works. Oh, I'm blinded. Blinded y'all. Sorry. Okay, before my phone decides to shut off again, literally I'm just going to end it here. I showed you every possible thing, like my hair and all the stuff that I use to work with on my YouTube channel. So if you can, please, like, if you really, really can, please share, subscribe, like, comment. I read all my comments and I love it. Thank you so much. My name is Sabrina. If you love me, please tell me. As always, my community loves you. I love you. And you are valid. Bye.